Welcome to Sharwana's Knowledge Hub. Let's explore the country. Its flag. El Salvador is the smallest country in Central America, known for its volcanoes and Pacific coastline. San Salvador, the capital city, is the political, cultural, and economic center of the country. Greenland is the world's largest island, located in the Arctic region and known for its ice sheets and wildlife. Nuuk is the capital city of Greenland, serving as the cultural and administrative center. Grenada is a beautiful island country in the Caribbean Sea, known as the Island of Spice for its nutmeg production. St. George's, the capital, is famous for its colorful harbor and scenic hills. Guatemala is a Central American country known for its ancient Mayan civilization and volcanoes. Guatemala City, the capital, is the largest city and the economic center of Guatemala. Haiti is a Caribbean country located on the island of Hispaniola, known for its rich culture and history. Port-au-Prince, the capital city, is the political, cultural, and economic center of Haiti. Honduras is a beautiful country in Central America known for its mountains, rainforests, and Caribbean coastline. Its capital city is Tegucigalpa, the political and administrative center of the country. Tegucigalpa is known for its historic buildings, culture, and scenic hills. Jamaica is an island country in the Caribbean Sea known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant culture. Its capital city is Kingston, the cultural and economic center of Jamaica. Mexico is a large and culturally rich country in North America known for its history, food, and ancient civilizations. Its capital city is Mexico City, one of the largest and most important cities in the world. Montserrat is a small island in the Caribbean Sea known for its volcanic landscape and natural beauty. Its capital city is Plymouth, the official capital of Montserrat. Nicaragua is a beautiful country in Central America known for its lakes, volcanoes, and natural scenery. Its capital city is Managua, the political and economic center of Nicaragua. Panama is a country in Central America famous for the Panama Canal that connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Its capital city is Panama City, a major trade and financial center of the country. Puerto Rico is a Caribbean island known for its beautiful beaches, culture, and historic sites. Its capital city is San Juan, a major cultural, economic, and tourism center. St. Kitts and Nevis is a small island country in the Caribbean Sea known for its beautiful beaches and volcanic mountains. Its capital city is Basseterre, the main administrative and economic center of the country. St. Lucia, the beautiful Caribbean island, is home to its vibrant capital, Castries. Known for its scenic harbor and lush green hills, Castries is the heart of St. Lucia's culture and trade. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a beautiful Caribbean nation made up of the main island of St. Vincent and many smaller islands. Its capital city, Kingstown, is known as the City of Arches and serves as the country's main port and commercial center. Sint Maarten, the Dutch part of St. Martin Island, is a beautiful Caribbean destination known for its beaches and vibrant culture. Its capital, Philipsburg, is famous for its shopping streets, cruise port, and stunning Great Bay coastline. Trinidad and Tobago is a Caribbean nation made up of two main islands, Trinidad and Tobago. Its capital city, Port of Spain, is the country's cultural, political, and economic center. The Turks and Caicos Islands are a British overseas territory located in the Atlantic Ocean, southeast of the Bahamas. Its capital, Cockburn Town, is situated on Grand Turk Island and is known for its historic buildings and beautiful beaches. The United States of America is a large country in North America with Washington, D.C. as its capital city. Washington, D.C. is the political center of the country and home to famous landmarks like the White House and the U.S. Capitol.
Like, share, and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned to Sharwana's Knowledge Hub for more updates. Thanks for watching.